What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be watching scariest animal encounters caught on camera. So I was just streaming, and the stream, like, bro, that stream had me so tight, bro, cause I was trying to play Fortnite, right? But niggas were on dick and shit, bro. That shit was not fucking, like, bro, that shit was Fortnite is so ass, bro. Premium, I don't want to pay for that dumbass shit. Fuck is 180 premium or 1080 premium, nigga? 1080 premium not the same? You egg-headed ass fucking bastard. Alright, guys. Let's do a quick prayer for start the video. Man, we'll go. We'll go. Let's start this. Whoa, is that an elephant, my nigga? What does this nigga have on? That nigga black as fuck too.
What would you do if you were just chilling and suddenly encountered wild animals?
Shit myself.
Find out more.
What the fuck? Nigga, that big ass crocodile, nigga, what the fuck? Let me make this smaller so I can see the video, bro. That big ass damn crocodile, nigga.
Showcase 40 scariest animal encounters caught on camera. Before that, subscribe and hit that notification
Not a
bell
seal, nigga.
so you can enjoy more of nature's wonders. Let's get started.
Hey, nigga. Huh. Hey. A crocodile? What's going
The
on?
young couple is dating and enjoying romance at night by the swimming
Oh,
pool.
you hating ass motherfucker.
Smuggler, a young alligator.
That's one hating ass nigga, bro. That's like my nigga. That's my nigga Lily, bro, when I get into a relationship, bro. Talk about some, oh, she's not treating you right. Oh, this, oh, that, oh, this, oh, that. Trying to make it seem like we're not perfect, nigga. That's one hating ass alligator, nigga. Nigga couldn't find himself an alligator girl, so trying to fuck up other niggas' relationships and shit. Yeah, he's still trying to bite him.
Gets out and leaves the girl.
That nigga smarter than the motherfucker. If I was that nigga, I would have let the alligator eat her too, nigga, on everything I love. The girl's still in the damn pool.
Girlfriend behind. Well, luckily, the girlfriend manages to escape from the jaws of the gator. After this, they may break up the relationship.
Shit. Me too, nigga.
Well, luckily, it was a young alligator because a grown crocodile is on another level. A group of family members was
Instant shit everywhere. I'm hungry, bro. Instant shit everywhere. You see the size of that alligator's mouth, nigga?
a group of family members was strolling around when they caught two
And ran into fucking lions. Yep, fighting. Oh, and they came to your car. Why don't you press the gas pedal, you damn bastard?
to hit their car. It was reported that their car was damaged and has to be taken to a repair shop.
What the fuck you gonna say? Oh, two lions fighting hit my car. Who's gonna pay for that, nigga? The lion's insurance? Like, niggas just... Bro, I don't know, bro. Nigga, I'm tight. I'm just tight today, bro.
In this CCTV footage, it was captured that a leopard is taking a stroll in a school in India.
In a school? In India? Of course it is, nigga. Everybody's dying.
Be careful when you are near the lake. The fish was probably used as bait.
Ah! That nigga scared the fuck out of me, bro. What the fuck? I'd have shit myself, nigga. I'd have shit myself and then threw it at him. I'd have shit myself and threw it at the alligator. Why does this fucking stand there recording, nigga? If you don't run home, bro, it's always, bro. Oh, is that a snake? Bro, now I'm tripping, bro. I gotta put my feet up now, nigga.
Two snakes rolling around together in the middle of the road.
They're having sex, nigga. Leave them be.
What a strange view.
Niggas can't. I was about to say, niggas can't even have sex in peace no more. What the fuck is that?
When the rainy season arrives, you have to be careful with these cold-blooded predators.
What the fuck is that, nigga? An anaconda?
You may wonder
Why'd
why
I
the
jump?
family looked so panicked, and they hurriedly entered the house. Turns out it was a black
Whoa.
mamba with the house.
This nigga's like. This nigga's like. What is that? What? Should I grab the baby or no? What? Nigga don't know if you should grab the baby or not. Nigga, I would've never got to wrap that bitch instantly, nigga. Black mama gonna eat tonight. Shit.
You may wonder why this
This nigga's like, should I go for him? No. Should I go for him? No. Ugly ass nigga. The baby gonna grow up to kill him.
family looked so
I'm telling you right now,
and
nigga.
they hurriedly entered the house.
This nigga acting like, look at this nigga right here. This nigga acting like this nigga is acting like he's actually gonna help that damn baby. Look. He's like, I'm just gonna wait and see if the person behind me comes and gets it. Look. Let me just go left so it looks like I'm going. Oh, yes.
The house. Turns out it was a black mamba.
Look at that fast ass moving
which is
mama,
one of the
nigga.
most dangerous snakes in the world.
That nigga fast as fuck,
Luckily, they
nigga.
managed to get inside on time.
Inside, go outside, nigga. That shit crawling faster than a motherfucker, but moving nowhere. Is that a lizard? That's a Komodo dragon,
The
nigga.
last thing I want from this world is for a monitor lizard to enter my house. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, myth says that when a monitor lizard enters the house, it's a sign that unexpected blessings are coming.
Unexpected blessings are coming. So if that nigga bites me on my ass and I die, is that an unexpected blessing too, nigga? Like, niggas just chat, bro.
He said that
That nigga has no. That nigga has no fear in life. This nigga scratches his balls and smells and eats with the same hand. This nigga scratches his balls, sniffs it, and goes, ooh, I like that. And this nigga eats with that own hand without washing his hands. This nigga has no fear in life about bacteria, death. Death is scared of this nigga, bro. Look at this nigga. He's spinning the fucking lizard around like it's a damn fucking toy. Like a yo-yo, my nigga.
when a
Nigga, what the
monitor
fuck is
lizard
that?
captured, they will pretend to be dead.
Oh, shit. Pretend to be dead? Oh, you gonna actually be dead, nigga.
Who was working suddenly
Oh.
encountered a lost elephant.
Oh. Shit.
The panicked elephant
Instant
immediately
dookie,
attacked
nigga.
the farmer.
Instant dookie.
Luckily, the farmer was able to quickly flee and hide due to
What the fuck does that nigga have on?
Luckily, the
Hello, is anyone there? No, okay, I'm just gonna go into the car.
due to quick detection.
As if the elephant can't stomp on the fucking car, my nigga. Like, make that shit make sense, bro. If the elephant wanted to, he was gonna smack on that damn car, smack you in your fucking noggin, nigga. And that's not gonna be one of those I like your cuts type of smack, nigga. He gonna smash your skull in half, my nigga. Niggas hiding and shit. If you don't run,
If you are in the middle of the sea and encounter a sea snake,
instant shit.
you better not touch it.
Obviously,
Otherwise,
you better not touch it. No, nigga, I'm gonna grab it. Like, hey, you want a kiss? Like, what type of dumbass shit is that?
you will die. From
You will
the
die.
poison.
Man, that big ass snake. That snake better be scared of me, nigga.
In Africa, these people managed to catch a crocodile that was disturbing the peace of the residents. And then there is this mother.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Mink, nigga.
Meanwhile, in Florida, alligators are like their own cats.
Chatting, nigga.
Meanwhile,
What the
in
fuck
the
is
world,
that?
the seal is taking
What the
casual
fuck is
walks
that?
in the local park in New Zealand.
What the fuck is that gonna do to anybody, nigga? That slow ass fat bitch. You think a bow and arrow is gonna stop a big ass bear, my nigga? You gonna try to shoot that bitch at him? He gonna take it to the chest, stand up. That nigga gonna be 9 feet tall. 10, 12, 11 feet tall, nigga. That nigga gonna stand up. You gonna instantly drop your bow. You gonna shit yourself. You gonna turn around and start to run. But then you realize these niggas run 30 miles per hour. Then you gonna accept your death, nigga. You gonna be like, oh, I shouldn't even touched him. I should just lay down, play dead, nigga. That shit, nigga. That. Look at his skin color. Like, well, like, why else would, like, you don't see, like, hold on, nigga. You don't see black people dying from bear attacks, right? This nigga is white. Look, you see that? Look. Let's go to images, bro. This nigga tried to box a fucking... Fucking God, bro. Look. Like, rest in peace to all the victims. Like, that's not what this video was trying to get at. And I apologize if anybody took offense to that. I'm just saying, bro, like, black niggas don't get attacked by bears and die, bro. Nigga, that bear bigger than a motherfucker. See, I told you, his bow's dropping. He's shitting himself right now. He probably farted 3 times. Like last. What the fuck is going on? Oh, shit, nigga!
A cow escaped from its
A cow?
and went berserk around the neighborhood, damaging fences and chasing nearby residents.
Nigga, that's one savage ass cow, nigga.
Cow handler.
Just let the cow be, bro. Just let the cow be, bro.
Don't get
My bad, yo. Just let the cow be, yo.
animals because they may charge at you at any time.
That's a bison, nigga. That shit hit you, nigga. That's a ticket straight to Hospital City, nigga.
Bison
Straight to
charging
Hospital
is
City.
Very dangerous.
Really? It's very dangerous?
Large and powerful animals. When they charge, it can inflict serious injuries, even to a caress shown in this clip.
A car? What the fuck is a car, nigga? You mean a car?
Oh my gosh. Video, Dan. Patrick's videotaping it. Oh.
If that shit were to happen to my car because of natural disasters, nigga. Because a bison running into your car is a natural disaster sort of type thing, you feel me? Because, nigga, what the fuck is flying in my nose? Because it's natural, though, you feel me? Nigga, let a motherfucking bison hit my car, nigga. I'm gonna get this ARP out. 2 fucking rocket launchers with 3 switches on the back. The entire state of Ohio is getting blown up, my nigga. The entire state of Ohio is getting blown up. Don't give a fuck what nobody has to say, nigga.
Well, if only a goat's charge were as dangerous
Ain't nobody worry about
as a
that
bison,
fucking goat, my nigga.
this guy would probably not be doing this.
Man, if you don't smack that goat back into where he came from. What do these niggas have on, bro? Does that nigga have a skirt on?
During a hike, a family group encounters
Why
a
are you
mountain lion
hiking
in the Amazon forest.
in the
They were frozen.
Amazon forest? Like, what did you expect hiking in the Amazon forest to not see an animal, nigga? That's like watching porn and expecting to not see dicks, nigga.
For a while because
Like,
mountain
bro.
lions are known for their aggressive behavior.
Yeah, look at
They
them.
may get
Look at that
attacked
nigga.
in a second.
Man, I'll smack the fuck out of it. Man,
Luckily,
I'd
they
bite
recorded it
all
because
of them.
cameramen never die.
Recorded it. Nigga, what the fuck is a dumbass nigga saying, man? I would have
Man
ate every
recording
single person
this
there.
was fishing and struggling while reeling in his fishing line.
Is he floating, nigga?
He thought he got a good catch, and turns out it was a huge alligator.
Instant shit in pants.
My God, that's not a stick at all. Holy
CCTV footage captures a huge black bear stalking humans.
Turn around. Hey, I'm
We have
coming.
no idea what happens next.
Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Peekaboo, nigga.
Two, if an
Instant
alligator
death.
was
Everybody's
stalking your
dying.
house in the middle of the night.
Let an alligator stalk my house at night, nigga. Grab the
Something
gun is damn
unexpected
right.
happened when this girl finished playing on the flying fox.
Flying fox.
Probably this gator wants to have some fun too. This gorilla seems to be sick.
Nigga, yeah! That nigga tooted up and everything. On the dead niggas.
Humans watching it. Look at the crack in the glass with just one punch.
The crack in the glass. Look at the crack in the ass, nigga.
Their strength is amazing.
Obviously, it's a gorilla, nigga. What do you think?
We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to stay updated.
Nigga, if you don't kick that motherfucker in his damn mouth, what the fuck is wrong with this lady? Just one bite and you're over. If that bear decides to smack the shit out of you, nigga, it's over. Life is over. It's over, nigga. You gonna wish you would have kicked that motherfucker like a soccer ball. Look at this nigga charging. Oh my.
Thanks for watching.
Let me tell y'all niggas, man. You know why an animal would never charge at me? Because I don't go to places I'm not supposed to go. Sorry, chat. My egg-headed ass sister came to the damn room, nigga. Ruining my video and shit. Alright, bro. Like I was saying, bro. You know why I won't ever get attacked by or encountered by an animal? Because I'm not at places where I shouldn't be at, bro. It's that simple. Just stay home. Go play soccer. Go to the gym. Go to school. That's all I do, nigga. I don't go to Amazon forest. I don't go to Africa. I don't go to the zoo. I don't do that shit because I don't want to die, nigga. You feel me? The game eater. Should I take the test, y'all? Good luck passing this. Let's see. Upload your photo. You tell me you can just tell me if I'm gay or not by my photo? Chatting, nigga. But anyways, y'all, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you did, if you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this bitch. Appreciate y'all for real. Peace. 0516. Oh my days.